What's up, Brew Crew? Opie here. Welcome back to my Brew City Garden. Hey, I'm super excited. I got a whole bunch of stuff in the mail. I got seeds, I got equipment for my indoor garden. I even got a few little technical gadgets for the YouTube channel, and I got them all for free. And I'm going to show you how you can do the same thing. All right, let's check out some of the great stuff that I picked up. All this stuff came in the mail this week. I got a seed order in from MI Gardener. MI Gardener is one of my favorite seed sites of all time. They've got all kinds of organic heirloom seeds for $1 a pack. Check out the link below to direct you to the website. And if you purchase through that link, that's actually going to help out the Brew City Garden channel, and I'd really appreciate that. And at $1 a pack, I mean, how can you go wrong? So check it out. I got some straight neck squash, some golden nugget tomato seeds. Now, I have been growing sun gold hybrids for a few years now, and even though they're a hybrid, they're absolutely my favorite cherry tomato. Well, these are supposed to be a stabilized heirloom version of those. So I'm really looking forward to trying these this year and seeing if they're as good as the sun gold hybrid. If they are, I'll just start saving seeds and I'll never have to buy a pack again. It's gonna be awesome. I got some zucchini squash, some more of those Wisconsin SMR pickler cucumbers that I grew last year. They did phenomenal. I can't wait to run these things again. They're awesome. Some Oregon giant snow peas. We got some national pickling cucumbers, a little bit different, but I do like the little picklers. They seem to be just sweeter and all around better to carry in a lunchbox. So really looking forward to those, giving them a try. We got some watermelon, got some Moon and Stars watermelon, some New Zealand spinach. This is a new one to me, so we'll have to check that out to the channel and see. I'm not sure a lot of people know about this stuff. But it's definitely a first for me. I'd never seen it before. We're going to check it out this year, see if it's any good. Got some more broccoli, got some Romanesco. If you guys aren't familiar with that, it really makes these awesome fractal designs. The growth pattern in it is just, it's insane. It's really cool. Yeah, we'll check that out this year. Some Malabar spinach, which does really well in the heat and is extremely productive. A lot of people rave about this Malabar. They have it at MI Gardener. If you're looking for it, go there and pick it up before it's gone. Got some pak choi and some more peas for this early spring. Besides that, I went on eBay. I got some more popolo. I didn't get popolo seed on my first trial from last season, so I'm going to start these earlier and see if I can't get them to go to seed, and maybe I won't have to buy these again. I got some golden Detroit beets. I'm not a big fan of the regular beets, so I thought I would try the golden variety, which are supposedly a little bit milder and perhaps a little bit sweeter. Not sure, but it's worth a try. If I can put beets on the table and actually enjoy them, yeah, okay, we'll try it. Some daytil peppers. These are a pepper, they're native out of like the Dominican, I think. Don't quote me on that, but these are real big out of St. Augustine, Florida. That seems like the daytil pepper capital of the country. And I got hooked on these. There was just this small hot sauce company called Old Roadie that I had tried like 15 years ago, and it was the best hot sauce I've ever had. I can't find it anymore, so if anybody knows where I can get some Old Roadie, hook me up. But they made that hot sauce with the daytil pepper. I haven't grown these in my own garden yet, so we're going to give those a try this year, and maybe I'll do some hot sauce experiments. Maybe I can replicate that recipe. So we're definitely going to give that a try, see if it's any good. I also got some new light hangers to hang some more of my, I got a couple more of these T5 lights, so I got some light hangers. And a huge improvement, I got a new lapel microphone, so you guys can actually hear me now, which is going to be a massive improvement. Of course, I've got some other equipment on the way that's really going to help the channel out, but that's a good start right there. The best part about this whole thing, everything here was free. Not to mention, I still got some more stuff coming, and I got it all for nothing. So how did I do it? So if you look down below in the description, there's a link to a website called Ebates, E-B-A-T-E-S. And what it is, it's a Chrome extension, a browser extension that you can put on Chrome, or you can just use their website if you don't want to use their extension. And basically it's just a referral service. And it's super easy to use. You put the extension on, and I like to shop online. I don't know about you guys, but I shop online almost exclusively now. It's just so convenient. It's so easy, and a lot of times you get the best prices that way. So I think it was last summer, I found this Ebates, and I put the Chrome extension on and just forgot about it. But what I notice is when I go shopping online, when I open up a website, the little Ebates pop-up will come up, and it'll say, you can save so much percent per order, just click here. So you click on it, it reroutes you through the Ebates, takes you right back to the same page you were on, and when you check out, you get a percentage of your total value back. Quarterly, they'll pay that out into your PayPal account. And since using this last summer, and I did most of my Christmas shopping online, I ended up with almost $60 in Ebates rebates directed into my PayPal account, and I was able to buy all this equipment and still have some money left over. So if you guys want to get rebates for shopping online, which is something that you probably already doing anyway, it sits in the background, you really don't even know it's there, you just have to confirm a little checkbox when you're on any website that has a Ebates referral link, and quarterly you'll get a little bit of your purchase price back. It's really an awesome deal, and if you use the link below, that's really going to help out the Brew City Garden channel. And after you spend, I think it's $25, you actually get another $10 deposited to your PayPal account for free. So it's a win-win. Alright guys, it's time for me to get back to working on the garden and getting some more seeds sown. Still got some more peppers to get put in, and check on the Yacon. So I'm going to get out of here. You guys have an awesome day. We'll see you.